Hi, my name is Linda Miller. I'm CEO and founder of PDT, Paradise Dental Technologies. Today, I'd like to introduce you to the Pineyro Arch Implant Kit. This exciting kit comes in a stainless steel cassette that is easy to open. You can see the top flips back and the instruments set stadium style, so they're easier to pick up. These instruments were designed with Alfonso Pineyro, who's a prosthodontist. He had the great idea that they should be crescent-shaped so they would adapt uniquely to each and every implant. These are made out of medical-grade titanium. They're very easy to use, excellent with all-on X's because you don't have to remove the prosthetic each time that the patient comes in. This saves you so much time, and you're not losing those little screws. You're not waiting for the dentist to come in to take that prosthesis off, put it back on. The patient's much more comfortable. You're much more comfortable and time efficient. There's videos online. These don't have to be resharpened, which is fabulous, and videos online for how they're used. And please contact a PDT representative if you'd like more information. And we'd like to thank you for your support.